Namaste everyone. Welcome to Sagarji Yoga YouTube channel. I hope you are benefiting from all my videos. Today my video is about Pranayam. So during this pandemic, a lot of people have asked me what exactly we have to do to increase our immunity. And also I have been helping out some doctors who are into this duty into this COVID duty, helping out patients, because not only patients but doctors also need to increase their immunity, and also they have to make sure that their lungs are working in the full capacity, because wearing that masks and PPE kits and everything is very difficult to work throughout the day. And really hats off to all the doctors who are giving their 100% to save all the patients. So let us start our today's pranayam session. This pranayam is not only for doctors, this is for everyone. If you are out, if you are into essential service and you are out working throughout the day wearing that mask, there is always the less of oxygen that we take. Okay, and because of this oxygen intake which is become less due to that mask, it happens that our lungs do not function in the perfect manner that always they used to. So today I will show you 3 pranayams which will help you to increase the capacity of the lungs. Also it will clean your lungs, and also it will retain your oxygens. Okay, without any delay, let us start with first pranayam. First pranayam is very simple. What you have to do is you have to close one nostril and increase the capacity of your lungs. So let us start. You can do with me, and you can first see me and then you can continue. Whenever you get time, you can do practice. With my left first finger, I am closing my left nostril. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Don't crunch your shoulders. Head straight, back straight. Don't drop your head. With your first left finger, close your left nostril. Inhale and exhale only from the right nostril. So how you close is you just close. Don't press. Okay. Close. Inhale. You can give a count for inhalation and exhalation. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do this pranayam for 10 rounds. So 7 counts inhale, 7 counts exhale for 10 times. And now we will do same for the left nostril. So close your right nostril. Inhale and exhale from left. Just remove all the air from the left nostril first. When you are ready, keep your spine straight, back straight, shoulder relaxed. Don't crunch your shoulders. Don't press your nose. Ready? Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as I told you, you can do this for 10 times for each nostril. This was pranayam number 1. I am not giving names for this. There are specific names for each pranayam that we do. But since we are doing it for our general daily day-to-day practice, so I am not giving any names. I am giving you a sequence in which you can follow. Now we will do some cleansing. Okay. So how to do some cleansing? So you inhale first. Inhale and expand your chest. And when you exhale, you have to exhale very slow, very slow. Like if you are inhaling for 5 counts, you have to exhale till 10 counts. Okay. So let me show you once. You can give me a count and then you can see. Okay, same way. This is cleansing. Cleansing is, there is carbon dioxide in our lungs which needs to be pushed out from the body. Okay, then only the fresh oxygen will take its place. So this is pranayam number 2. You inhale for 5 counts and then you exhale for 10 counts. So you can increase those counts. You can inhale till 10 counts and exhale till 20 counts. That is how you can improve your capacity and your cleansing. Now move on to our third pranayam, which is the most important pranayam which you can do on a daily basis. This is also known as kumbhak, but we are not doing in a kumbhak style. We will be doing in a little modernized way. Okay, let me show you. In this pranayam, what we have to do is we have to retain our oxygen. Whenever you are getting out of your house, you have to wear the mask. And when we wear the mask, as I explained you earlier, there is less of oxygen that we can take. So this pranayam you can do just before leaving your house. Okay, you inhale, hold the count, hold your oxygen inside your lungs, and then you exhale very slowly, as we did in the second pranayam. So I'm giving counts also for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You inhale, you retain the breath for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the way you have to do our third pranayam. Let us do together. There is no need for counts. You can just watch. You can keep your eyes open and you can watch and do this. Okay. I did 5, 10, 10. Now I will do 10, 20 and 20. So this is your capacity. This you can do easily. Holding 20 counts of your breath is very easy. Just your mindset has to be there. I remember again, this pranayam is very effective when you retain your oxygen in the lungs. Okay. Let us start. this video is very helpful, please share it to maximum doctors, please share it to maximum patients you know, or please share it to everyone you know. Okay, thank you very much. Namaste.